Hi all, welcome to LearnCodeRepeat. So today we'll be looking at day 3 of the November LeetCode challenge. The name of the problem is consecutive characters. Let's look into the problem. So the problem states given a string S, the power of the string is the maximum length of a non-empty substring that contains only one unique character. Return the power of the string. So here the example is LeetCode, and in this example EE is a substring which is having only one unique character, right? And the length of that substring is 2. So that's why the output is 2. So in short, what we have to do is we have to find out a substring which has only one unique character, and that substring length is maximum than similar other substrings. Okay, so let's take the second example, right? Here A, B, B. So B is one single character, but the substring is having length 2. So here max length is 2. Then for CC max length is 3. For DD max length is 4. And then when we come here, right, at EEE, the substring is having consecutive character, but there is only one unique character, and the max length is 5, right? So the output is 5 here. So if you see the pattern here, right, for each character we can compare it with the previous character, and if both the characters are same, that means it is part of the same substring and it can form a max length, right, with the single unique character. And if there is a difference in the character, then that is not part of the substring, right? So we can have a current sum or current max val to calculate what is the current maximum length of this substring, and we can have one more max variable, and we can check if the current max is greater than max, then max variable equal to current max, and that way we can simply find out in O of n time what is the max value, right? So let's quickly write down this code. So initially if my substring is having length 1, right, I can directly return that as the output, right? So I'll check that here. Because that will be one single unique character, right? So now I'll go through in a for loop through each character. So I will define two variables. One is current max, which equal to 1, and int max equal to 1. Why it is equal to 1? Because even if the substring is having all unique characters, right, the output will be 1, right, because at least one character will be unique, right, for that substring. So that's why it will start with 1. Okay, and here I can start my I with 1 because I need to compare with the previous character. So the previous character index is 0. If I start with 0, then I'll get an index out of bound error. So I can start with 1, and here I can check if s dot caret I equal to s dot caret I minus 1. If this is the case, then I can simply increase my current max val. Else if it is different, then I need to reset my current max to 1 again. And after every step I need to check what is the max. So I can directly do a math.max of max comma current max, and at the end I can return directly the max val. Okay, so this way I can store my length of my consecutive characters in my current max variable, and if the consecutive character is different, then I will reset my current max to 1. Okay, so if the variable is something like this, right, a b c d, and then there is e, and then there is f, right? So for e the current max will be 1, then again it's a e, so it will again go into this condition, it will increment the value of current max, again there is a e, again it will go into this condition, it will increment the value of current max, and after that we are always checking with the max, right? If the current max is greater than max, then that value will be assigned to max. So when it comes to f, right, it will check that it's not same as the previous value, so it can directly reset my current max to 1. Okay, so let's submit this code and check whether it works fine, and the code is accepted and it's 100% faster. So that's it for this solution. Thank you.